This Southwest Realty property video is presented by Barry Levine. This 3-bed, 2-bath home is conveniently located in So Rio Rancho. One bedroom has been modified into an office, but can be restored to a 3rd bedroom. Home comes equipped with newer appliances, surround sound, electric fireplace, enclosed back patio, a walk-in bathtub, and a 7-year-old snow-load roof, and refrigerator air conditioner. This over 55 development has a clubhouse in which several social activities are offered, including regular free food pickup on Tuesdays, holiday events, bingo, a library and gym, and pool. From the front porch of this home you can gaze upon the lovely Sandia Mtns. And in October, balloons in the Albq sky. A very user-friendly HOA pays water/sewer, and trash and maintains the grounds and exterior. You can be a part of this vibrant community, but don't wait. For more information